6 minutes behind schedule.
Huh? Double time, everyone! We need that big crystal!
Oh, hey, bro, Dad.
We got company.
Ooh, I'll put out the sponge cake.
Steady. Steady.
Sorry about this. I'm really conflicted right now.
Oh, that's more like it, Roger. Now finish him.
Wait, you don't understand. You see that? If that asteroid hits, we all die.
If it hits, we all die.
That's where you're wrong. See, while you run for your mammal lives, we'll be high in the sky, cruising above it all.
That's the stupidest thing I've ever heard.
We'll be as safe as those little birdies. Lucky shot. Very lucky shot.
I knew it! I was right! There's no paradise!
What? I'm too young to go extinct.
She gets it. Now, please, we haven't got much time.
What are you waiting for? Kill him!
No, Dad! I won't let you! Do you want to know what I love about our family? That we're alive. There are more important things than your pride right now. If you care about us, you should not kill him. You should help him, Dad.
Pop, I hate to say this, but my freaky little brother may be right.
As a father, I would work with my worst enemy to ensure a brighter future for my little one.